In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own starter pack doll box photo using ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. This is such a fun and creative trend that allows you to transform your photo into a realistic, toy-style packaging image, complete with cute accessories like a laptop, coffee cup, and headphones. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video because we'll have plenty more easy AI tutorials like this coming your way. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open ChatGPT on your web browser or in the app on your device. Go ahead and give it a moment to load. Once it's all set, locate the plus button that you'll find next to the message box. This is a really important step because this plus button is where you'll be able to upload your own image. This image will serve as the base for your fabulous new design. Click that plus button and it will prompt you to pick an image from your device. Make sure to select a clear and high-quality photo of yourself. The clearer the photo, the better and more detailed the final result will be. Take your time choosing the right image. Once you have your selected image uploaded, it's time to move to the text box. In the text box, you'll type this prompt exactly as I say, create a starter pack doll box image of me. Include accessories like laptop, coffee, headphones, clean aesthetic packaging, realistic toy style. This prompt is key because it tells ChatGPT exactly what you want, a polished doll box concept that has a clean, modern feel, along with those fantastic accessories that make it feel like a real starter pack collectible. Once you've entered your prompt, just hit enter and let ChatGPT work its magic. Now, depending on the tool and the settings, it may take just a moment for the image to generate, so don't worry if it doesn't pop up immediately. Just sit back and relax while ChatGPT does its thing. When that adorable doll box image finally appears, take a close look at it to see if it matches the style and vibe you were going for. Does it feel right? If not, that's totally fine. You can refine your prompt and try again. Play around with different accessories, colors, or packaging styles. It might take a few attempts, but that's all part of the creative process. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to create your own starter pack doll photo using ChatGPT with just a simple upload and a well-crafted prompt. This is a fantastic way to create a unique profile image or a charming social media post, or simply to have a blast with this fun trend. If this tutorial has been helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to turn on those notifications too, so you never miss out on our next AI tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.